morning, my dear children. Myself, Alicia Shashikant Gaikwad from Dharavi Francis Campus, English School number 1.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. I give you a warm welcome to the online education today. Today, our subject is English. My dear children, before starting a topic, I just want to tell you that you have traveled from your primary section to 5th standard now. Yes or no? From 4th standard, you have come to the new academic year to the 5th standard. Now in 5th standards, many new things will come across you in your syllabus. So from that, some topic I have selected for you, that is comprehension passages. Till the higher grades, till the higher standards, you will have comprehension passages in your English subject and other languages too. So we need to study this thing because it will come in your higher standards and you will get these passages in your exams too. So we need to learn the small things. So today we will see comprehension passages. So now in comprehension passages, there are seen passages and unseen passages. In comprehension passages, there are seen passages and unseen passages. Now, what are seen passages? Seen passages is a passage that is to be read with complete understanding and deeper questions are asked. In seen passages, that is to be read with complete understanding and deeper questions are asked. In short, seen passages are what? Those are in your textbook. Those are in your textbooks. Now, these passages, seen, whether unseen or seen, these passages give you ability to understand what you will listen or what you will read. By solving such passages, you will improve your reading too. New words will come across you. You will understand the language, the command of the language, punctuation marks. All these things are mentioned in passages. You will understand what you listen and what you read. Now, seen passages, in short, they are in your books, in your textbooks.
Yes.
Now, in seen passages, the questions are asked deeper. Why? Because they are known to you. They are in your textbooks. Frequently, you're seeing them, reading them. When teacher is teaching the lesson, you know them. Yes or no? It is in front of you. So, the questions are deeper here. Now, the passages, whether it is seen passage or an unseen passage, you always have a grammar questions in. Now, what are unseen passages? Unseen passage is a passage that is completely not seen before, and short questions are asked which are on point. Again, I'm reading for you. Unseen passage is a passage that is completely not seen before, and short questions are asked which are on point. Now, children, unseen passages are those passages that are not in your textbook. You have not seen them, you have not read them. So, these are unseen passages. Now, in seen passages, we saw that you are given deeper questions. And in unseen passages, there are short questions for you because that you have not seen this passage before. Therefore, short questions are asked. And in unseen passage, you see your textbook regularly and you learn the lesson and teacher teaches you that lesson. Therefore, you come to know the content of it deeper. Therefore, deeper questions are asked in seen passages and in unseen passages which you have not seen before. In that, short questions are asked and which are direct little bit. They are easy for you to solve the unseen passages. As I told you before that you also have grammar part in your passages. So you have to be fully content to see the passage, to solve the passages. Questions are asked, then grammar questions are asked, where to give proper punctuation marks, how to write the answer. So all these things is needed in comprehension passage. Okay, now we'll see some passages and we'll solve them. Some of them are solved for you. For example, I will see some seen and unseen passage. So this passage, I will read for you. Gail, the snail, was very sad. She felt like she was too plain. I know how to fix this, she said in her brain. I will stain my shell with paint. Gail did not want to wait. She got a pail and started to paint. Oh no, it started to rain. The paint washed off. Gail, the snail, was plain again. Okay, this passage is about snail. After you read the passage, you should first thing is to assume it, imagine it in your mind. And what is the passage about? You have to see that first. What the writer is telling us and what the passage is telling us, you have to understand it by reading. So you have to assume and imagine the things. I will see the snail. You know what is snail? I will show you. See, this is a type of animal. It is a animal with a body. It has no legs. Snail is an animal which has no legs. His body is covered with shell. Body is covered with shell.
Shell.
You know, snail moves very slowly. Snail moves very slowly. Okay, and you know that it is found in rainy season. It is found, this animal is mostly seen in rainy season. आपण मराठीमध्ये याला गोगलगाई सुद्धा म्हणतो.
हो, गोगलगाई.
Yes. And in English, we call it as snail.
Snail.
It is a type of animal with a body. It has no legs that is covered by a shell. Snail moves very.
स्नेल टीचर बहुत धीरे चलता है.
It doesn't walk also. It doesn't walk also because it has no legs. It moves very slowly. They are mostly found.
Snail is very slow.
Yes.
Walking.
Now you came to know what is snail.
Snail walk in very slow.
Yeah. You came to know how the snail looks like now. You have seen the picture now, yes, on your screen. Now we'll go to our Gale snail. Snail. So this
Why
snail,
was killed?
her name is Gale. What is the name of the snail in our passage?
Gale.
Gale.
Jail.
Like she was too plain. What the snail was feeling that she was plain. She was plain. Means
Plain.
her shell was not hard. She was plain. She know now she was thinking to paint the shell because it will become hard. I know how to fix this. She
Miss,
felt
your voice
like
is slow slow coming.
Slow
Can you
is
hear me
okay.
now? Yes.
Your voice is not loudly coming.
टीचर अब आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है क्या क्या टीचर मैम voice not coming. Teacher voice, your voice is not coming.
Yes. Can you hear
Coming,
me?
but slow coming.
Can you hear me now?
Ma'am, your voice is exactly slow.
Can
Range.
you hear me now?
And
Yes.
I'm not listening.
Can you hear me now? Am I audible?
No, ma'am.
Hello.
हाँ
Yes.
yes miss अब आइए
Can you hear me?
Yes.
yes
Gail, the snail, was very sad. She felt like she was too plain. I know how to fix this. She said in her brain, I will
I will
stain my
stain
shell
my
with
shell
paint.
with paint.
Gail did
Gail
not
did
want to
not
wait.
want to spit. She got
She got
a paint and started to paint. Oh no! I started to rain.
it
The,
started to rain.
it started
The
to
paint
rain.
washed off.
The paint washed
The
off. Gail the
washed
snail
off
was plain
was
again.
plain again. Okay. The snail was thinking that she is plain. So she thought she will paint her shell and she will keep the shell hard by painting.
टीचर एक बार मैं पढ़ूं
Then what?
Your mics are on. When I'm explaining, please keep your mic unmute. Otherwise, you will also not understand and the remaining children will also not understand. Please keep your mic unmute when I'm explaining. When I'm asking you questions, that time you can unmute yourself and answer.
Okay, miss.
The girl was very sad because she thought in her mind it was that I am not, my shell is not. So she thought it to paint. Okay. So she painted her shell. But what happened? The rain came and washed off her color. What she painted, it is washed off. Now the snail was again plain. So now the first question asked to you, why was the Gale sad? Why did second question is asked, what did Gale do to her shell? The third question at the end, why was Gale plain again? Okay. Now the first question we'll see, why was the Gale sad? Tell me. Can someone
She
unmute?
felt she felt like she was to painting.
No, why she was sad? But
Gail
Why
the
you are
snail
sad?
was very sad.
But why she was sad?
Snail.
Snail was
Gail the snail was very sad.
Why she was sad? They are asking you why.
no teacher.
She felt like she was too
She
plain.
play too plain.
Felt like she was
The Gale was
pale.
sad because she thought that she was too plain. Therefore she was
I will stand my
sad.
shell with pride. Gail
Miss,
did
your
not
voice is not
want
coming.
to. She got a field and
The Gale,
started
the snail,
to
was
paint.
very sad because she felt
Start
that she was
the
too
post.
plain. Therefore, she
Gail
was
the
sad.
snake was.
Just a second. See, children,
Yes, teacher.
please
Yes.
unmute. Please keep your mic.
Yes, teacher, coming.
Yeah,
I
I know.
have
But
Yes,
been
coming.
said.
yes, you
The Gail
yourself.
was sad because she felt that her shell is very plain.
Yes, what I'm saying you is please keep your mic off now for a minute. When I will ask question, that only time you have to say. Or if any
She
technical
was
problem,
sad
that time
because she felt that her shell is very pale.
why was the Gale sad? The Gale was sad because she felt that her shell is very plain. The Gale was sad because her shell is very plain. Therefore, she
Plain.
was feeling sad. When I will ask you, that time only you will answer, children. What did the Gale do to her shell? Now,
Gail
shell.
painted her shell.
Gale painted her shell.
She,
Why she painted her shell?
Gail.
Why she painted? Tell me now. Why she painted her shell? Yes. Why she painted her shell? So therefore, you don't disturb other children also. First, listen what the teacher is saying to you. Okay. The Gale painted her shell because she thought her shell is very plain. What did the Gale do to her shell? That she painted because her shell was plain. We'll go to the next question. At the end, why was the Gale plain again? Now tell me, answer me. The answer
At
is
the end, Gail's shell was plain because the rain washed off the
washed off the
wash of the painted shell.
shell. At the end, the Gale was plain because the rain came and washed off her painted shell. At the end, what happened? At the end, what happened? The Gale painted her shell, but the rain came and washed off her shell. Okay? Because of the rain, her paint washed off and she was again plain. Okay, we move to the next passage now. I will read the passage. Jamal and his dad went camping in the mountains. They built a campfire and cooked hot dogs and marshmallows. Then they went to sleep in a tent during the night. Jamal woke up 3 times. At midnight, he woke up because he heard his dad snoring. At 3 a.m., he woke up again because he felt an insect crawling on his face. 1 hour later, he woke up again because he got thirsty. Okay, now Jamal and his dad went for a camping. Father and son, Jamal and his dad went to camping. Okay, he went to, Jamal went with his dad for camping. What is camping? Camping in the mountains, climbing the mountains, going in the forest. Some people go there on the mountains to climb. That is camping. So Jamal and dad went to the mountains. They put on a campfire there. Can you see in the screen? They put a campfire, the camp. Both of them went to the mountains for camping, and they had put on a campfire. What can you see on the screen now?
Yes.
Campfire. What is that?
Campfire.
Fire. Yeah. Then they built a
Tent.
made a tent there. They made a
Tent. Day.
tent there. Yeah.
Tent. Day.
Now
Marshmallows and hot dog.
hot dogs. What they prepared? Marshmallows and hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
They prepared what they cooked? Marshmallows. Now marshmallow is a chocolate like thing. Candy.
Yes.
Have you tasted it? Have you sometime ate them? Marshmallows. It is like a chewing gum while chewing, and it is a sweet dish, like a chocolate chewing gum.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like.
Something different colors. Now hot dogs.
Yes.
Hot dogs in the bread, some vegetables are put, and that are called hot dogs.
Sauce.
Yeah, it is hot dogs are made up of bread. Okay, so Jamal and his dad cooked marshmallows over there, and so they went for a camping. So now you understood what was the passage was. Now
Yes.
who went to the mountains for camping? Can you tell me? Jamal and his dad, his father, his papa went for camping in the mountains.
Mountains.
Then they put a
Campfire.
campfire there. Very good. Then they
Tent.
made a tent there
Tent.
to stay. In the mountains, they did not had a house, right?
Yes.
Just as a picnic, camping there. Therefore, they made a tent there.
And to eat marshmallows and hot
Yeah,
dogs.
what they made there? To eat
Marshmallows.
marshmallows
And hot dogs.
very good. Now we'll come to the passage. Jamal and his dad went camping in the mountains. There they built a campfire and cooked hot dogs and marshmallows. Then they went to sleep in a tent. During the night, Jamal woke up 3 times. At midnight, he woke up because he heard his dad snoring. At 3 a.m., he woke up again because he felt an insect crawling on his face. 1 hour later, he woke up again because he got thirsty. First question asked to you. Now see this passage. In this passage, you have given the answers in options. Yes or no? Options are given to you. You have to just see the option there. Okay. Now, first see, where did Jamal and his dad go camping? In mountains, on beach, or in the desert? Tell me where they went. Now you can unmute yourself and say.
The mountains.
On the
In the mountains. A.
mountain. Very good. Very nice. Now I will read the next question and you have to answer me. Okay. What did Jamal and his dad cook? Hamburgers, eggs, hot dogs, and marshmallows.
Hot dogs and marshmallow. C.
Yeah, very nice. Where did Jamal and his dad sleep? In cabin, in a tent, in a hammock. Where they slept, Jamal and his dad, where they slept?
In a tent.
Very good, very nice answer. How many times did Jamal wake up during the night? Tell me, 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times? See in the passage. See. At midnight, he woke up and he heard dad snoring.
3
During
times.
the night, 3 times. Very nice. How many times?
3 times.
3
B.
times. Very good. Yeah. Next question I'm reading for you. Why did Jamal wake up at midnight? He felt his dad was snoring. He felt a bug is on his face. Snoring means to make noise while sleeping from the nose. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना खराटे लेना. That is snoring. Okay. So why did Jamal wake up at midnight?
He heard his dad snoring. A.
Snoring. Yeah, very
Snoring.
good. Snoring. Snoring. Okay.
Snoring.
The last question for you. What
What
time
time did Jamal wake up because he was
thirsty? 9 a.m., 4 a.m. or 5 a.m.?
3 a.m.
3 a.m.
A.
Yeah. What time Jamal woke up? At
3 a.m. 3 a.m.
3 a.m. Very good. Very nice. Very nice answer. So
Thank you.
before seeing the passage. Now, if this passage had come for your exam, now I have shown you the pictures, what did whole story in the picture. But in exam, the pictures will not come for you. So you have to assume the things while reading the passage. Then you will get a proper answer. I have seen you the how they went to camping, who went for camping, what was there. I have shown in a picture form to you. Yes or no? Therefore, you understood and you get the
Yes.
answer faster. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, all these things, when you read the passage and when you have to answer the question from the passage, you have to assume the passage in your mind. You have to imagine the passage. If you imagine the passage, then only you'll be able to understand, and all you may get some new words. And you should recollect where you have heard this new word. What can be the meaning of it? So the unseen passages are little bit difficult to understand. If you read them, you understand them, and you imagine it, then you will get the right answer.
Yes.
Okay. So you understood this passage? It was
Yes.
in the questions were asked you in the and answers were in the option form. Yes or no? We'll go to the next one. The next is the poem stanza.
The butterfly.
The butterfly. The poem stanzas are also asked
Yes.
children. Okay. For the in the passages, they are poem stanzas. From that also you are asked questions. Okay, now this which is displayed on your screen, the butterfly. It is a known passage to you. Yes or no?
Can I read?
No, I'm not asking you to read. Can you recollect where you have seen this passage or this poem?
Butterfly.
Where you have seen this poem? Can you anybody tell me? Yes, this poem is from your last year's textbook, fourth standard, The Butterfly. This poem is known to you. This poem is seen by you in the last year's portion.
Miss, your voice is slow coming.
Yeah, this passage is, or this poem stanza is from your last year's textbook, The Butterfly. I will read for you. You please listen it carefully, okay? The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself phrases, and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamt that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Okay, can someone read this?
Yes, teacher.
Can someone read for me?
The fuzzy little caterpillar cur- 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 curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and
Cells.
then fell asleep, asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly.
She could fly.
And later, when she woke up,
She was
she was a butterfly.
yeah, very good. Very nice try you did. Now, first we'll see the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, then you will understand this poem. First, the leaf. Lay eggs on the leaf. Then the leaf, the legs which are they become a
Caterpillar,
caterpillar. Caterpillar becomes a pupa, chrysalis.
chrysalis,
Then they make a
butterfly.
butterfly. Okay. Now the butterfly is a caterpillar first. Okay. It is a
Yes.
caterpillar first. Then it becomes chrysalis, the pupa. Then it becomes a butterfly. So same here, the butterfly, the fuzzy little butterfly curled upon a leaf. Where it was sleeping, it was on the leaf. She made herself chrysalis and then fell asleep. It became a pupa and it fell asleep. Asleep yani she is sleeping on the leaf. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly. She was dreaming that she could fly. And later when she woke up, woke up from the sleep, she was a what she became? The caterpillar, what she became? Butterfly. It became
Butterfly.
a butterfly. The caterpillar became a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Okay. First, the eggs are on the
Eggs.
leaf. Then it becomes
Sec-
a caterpillar.
then second caterpillar. Then
pupa, chrysalis,
chrysalis, and then
butterfly.
butterfly.
Caterpillar is like this. See, later on they become a butterfly. Okay. First, up from the eggs, the caterpillar comes out. Then the pupa forms, and then the butterfly comes out of it. Okay. The procedure of the butterfly's birth, how the butterfly takes birth. It is the procedure of that. First the caterpillar, then the pupa and the butterfly. Coming to the questions. We will see some questions now. Where was the caterpillar sleeping?
Leaves.
On the leaf.
On the leaves.
On the leaf. See?
On the leaves.
See in the poem, on the leaf, not the leaf.
Yes.
See? Therefore, you have to read the passage properly, the stanza properly. Leaf. The
On the leaves.
leaf. Leaves, no, leaf. Only one leaf. Where did the caterpillar change into? What did the caterpillar change into? From the caterpillar, it became what? It became what? After the caterpillar, it became chrysalis, then it became a, what it became? Butter?
Butterfly.
Yeah, very good.
On the butterfly.
Yeah. See the answers. The caterpillar
Was sleeping on a leaf.
The later, the caterpillar changed into butterfly. When you answer the passage questions, when
Leaf.
the answer
Leaf
right,
asleep.
when you write your answers, while writing the answers, after you finish your answers, there should be a proper full stop. And always you start the answer with a capital letter. When you start your answer, you have to start your answer with a capital letter. And in between, you have to the commas, semicolon, colons, all you have to be aware of what is in the passage. And very necessary thing, while writing the answers of the passage, the answer will start with a capital letter. Then it will end with a full stop. Okay. Now, the last question for you was, give the rhyming words from the poem. Now, what are rhyming words? What are rhyming words? Now, the rhyming words are the words that have same or similar ending sound. Okay? Which have same sound. Okay?
Same
Which have,
sound but smell
yeah,
spelling change.
spelling change. They are the spelling.
First word change.
No. The spellings are not same. First word also not change. It is not like that. Which sounds same. Hat, bat. For example, sun, burn, honey, money, sea, bee. These are the rhyming words. Okay, which have a same sound. Now, can you tell me in the poem what are the rhyming words? Tell me, which has the same sound, and it is many a times in the poem stanza you have this question of rhyming words. So you have to be very thoroughly with your
Leaf,
rhyming.
sleep.
Leaf, asleep.
Sleep,
Yeah, very good.
asleep.
Very good. The next one, in the next stanza, can you find for me? Yes. Fly.
Pale, fly,
Fly.
pale.
Butterfly.
Yes,
Fly.
butterfly.
Butterfly. Yeah. Okay. Answers. The first answer was the caterpillar was sleeping on a leaf.
Leaf,
The cat.
asleep.
Yeah. Leaf.
Fly,
Asleep, fly, butterfly.
butterfly.
Okay. I hope you all have understood how to
Yes.
read the passage and how to answer the passage. Very simple thing, but you find it very difficult to do it. Therefore, as I have shown you the pictures on the screen, when solving your passage, you should always imagine the passage in your mind. So it will be very easy, and read the passage very thoroughly so you will understand. And while writing the answers also, the letters, the first letter will be capital. At the end, you have to put full stop. And some grammar questions also you have to read the passage thoroughly to solve the grammar questions also. So the next passage is from your textbook. Please take a screenshot it for your homework. The passage is from the Daydreams lesson. Daydreams lessons of your Bal Bharti textbook. Please take a screenshot of it for your homework. I hope you have taken a screenshot of it. The next questions. You can please take a screenshot so you can solve in your notebooks. Please take a screenshot of this screen too, so you can read the passage which is available in your textbook. You can read and answer the questions. I hope you all have understood the topic very well. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay? Thank you so much.
Bye, teacher.